She's beautiful, smokes a pack a day, but wait, that's mean anyway. She doesn't care a thing about that, hey. She thinks I'm beautiful. Meet Virginia. Anyone here even old enough to remember this one? She never compromises, loves babies and surprises, wears high heels when she exercises. Ain't that beautiful? Meet Virginia. Well, she wants to be free, but she thinks about herself. Holds her head like she's free. I really wanna be queen. My daddy wrestles out the game. Mama works on car parade. Brother is a fighting game for the president. Here she is again on the road, just like me, used to be alone. We just like to sit at home, bring on the president. Meet Virginia. Right. Well, she wants to live her life, but she thinks about her life. Holds her head back like she's free. I don't really wanna live this life. Whatever happened to the guitar solo anyway? I used to air jam for maybe 100 years in my car. I think it was invented in Moab. Some dude hiking a trail, blazing. Do we need a second guitar solo here or what? When the moment is not right, her time